Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is so exciting because it's my first ever unboxing video. I recently got my hands on this Ashwagandha face cream by Upaya and I can't wait to share the experience with you. Look at the packaging, it's slick and minimalistic. Now let's unveil the star of the show, the Ashwagandha face cream. Ashwagandha is known for skin rejuvenation and it has sodium hyaluronate which is so moisturizing. The combination of sesame oil, ashwagandha extract, shea butter and cocoa butter creates a luxurious and nourishing experience. The texture is so smooth, so creamy, and the fragrance is so mild. Its aroma is so unique and it feels like a spa in a jar. It's a perfect blend of skincare and Ayurveda goodness. Guys, have you tried skincare with Ashwagandha? What was your experience? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. You can check product link in the video's description. If you enjoyed this and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for joining me today. I will catch you in next one. Bye bye guys.